In this video, I'm going to show you how to send one-time view picture or view one's picture on WhatsApp. Okay, let's get started. Open your WhatsApp app. Make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake. Okay, now choose the chat where you want to send the picture, then click on the gallery, then locate the picture that you want to send. Maybe it's this picture, then tap on this icon, then set it to OK. After doing this, you can just click on the send button to send this specific picture to the person that you want to send the picture. Okay, let me just tap on it like that. You can see now this picture has been sent to this user. She can only view the picture once. Okay, this is a very helpful tip if you don't want the user to be keeping the picture in their gallery. Thank you guys for watching. If you found help in this video, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thank you.